This is for the working girls who don't have time, patience, or like just trying to stack their bread for real. This is for y'all. Yeah, that's going in it. That's going in the beginning. Hey y'all, welcome to a video that nobody asked for. So, this is the end result. Stick around just to see how I did everything. Y'all see the title, Lazy Girl / Frugal Girl Self-Care. Unfortunately, I have not learned how to do my own nails yet. I'm in the process of that. I already got my gel lamp products. I will be getting that soon, so I'm gonna learn how to do that. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go get my nails done next week. So let's just act like my nails are done in this video. I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you. It's crazy. Like, I'm just coming back on here acting like I never left. But let's just do that, okay? Let's just come back and act like I never left. Because it's so much easier than explaining why I've been going so long. Like, y'all know life just be lifing. But I already told myself I'm gonna do this like this time around because I done attempted it so many times. I'm just gonna pull through and just do it, just like that. There's no ifs or buts about it. Like, I have to at least try. You know, I got my 2 videos up. I think my 2 videos are bangers. Like, I tried so many times to make YouTube videos, and then I end up making them, and I sit there and I edit them, and then it's like I don't like it no more, or it's not with the time. You know what? I run on my own clock. So we just gonna make it work. Like, I told myself there's no turning back. And excuse the mess back here. Okay, as y'all gonna see now and throughout the video, I am currently working on it. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. So today we're doing a lazy girl / frugal girl self-care in a sense. It's not the full depth of self-care, but just certain things at least so you could feel good when you don't have time or like money. And by lazy girl, I don't mean like, you know, completely being lazy or whatever, but this is for my working girls who have to fit things into their schedule. This is for y'all. This is for the working girls who don't have time, patience, or like just trying to stack their bread for real. This is for y'all. Yeah, that's going in it. That's going in the beginning. I'm not gonna do too much talking. We just gonna get right into it. So in this video, I will be doing my hair. If y'all couldn't tell, because I done touched it about 50 times since I started recording. And lashes and brows, like a mini brow thing. Y'all gonna see. But without further ado, here's the video. Enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, comment, share with your friends, share with your frugal and working girl friends. I'm going to keep it short because it's already 1 a.m. and I'm mad tired and I got to work tomorrow. But lazy girl tip number 1, prep your next hairstyle while you still have your current hairstyle in. That way, it'll just move quicker. Like, I would love to do the full maintenance thing, but y'all see the title. And on top of that, y'all see the title. So after I washed the U-part wig, I secured it with T-pins, brushed it out, and then I decided I needed to cut the ends a little bit. And I just added extra layers, and I let it air dry overnight. Okay, so this is my freshly washed hair. I think I'm washing my hair like this from now on. I am parting it. Well, after I condition and deep condition, detangle all that, plaited it in 4 sections, and then we get to shampooing and clarifying the roots. Like, it was so easy. And then my hair's not gonna be tangled. So I'm leaving the back as it is with the 2 plaits. And then for the rest of my hair, I'm gonna part it appropriately, you know, for the leave out and all that fun stuff. So, this is me blow drying my hair.
I'm not using all of this for the leave out. I just blow dry what I needed to blow dry, like to get around my edges and to get that section that I'm gonna flat iron. And I just braided up the rest of the hair that I didn't need. And this is the wig, freshly washed and air dried. Then I ended up just putting my hair in sections and flat ironing. See that volume? Silk press. So after securing the wig in place, I combed it out and prepared to start blending it with the flat iron and flat ironing the areas that have that kinky texture, because I did just now flat iron my leave out. This was after work. I had to get ready for work in that last clip. But I'm just using a peel off mask on my face and liquid collagen on my lips before bed. And I'm not gonna lie, the mask did cost a pretty penny, but you have a facial at home instead of paying for facials. Now we get to the lashes. I used BQ lashes and I applied the glue like mascara and just stuck the clusters underneath my lash. I'm pretty sure y'all know about these type of lashes already. It's really trending and I love my lash tech to death, but look, I can't be paying that much money every 2 weeks to get my lashes done no more. Yeah, now we get to the hair. And I literally was just doing like the laziest curls because I had somewhere to be. But I did the laziest curls I could on the wig. Just made sure it looked real, like blowout. Like that's what I was going for. Then I just curled up and out in my leave out to give it that flip. One side just wasn't doing what I needed to do, so it took me a little while to get it, but I got it. Literally, some of these things that I've learned how to do over time save me so much money, like especially doing my own hair. But lashes and makeup, that's another thing too. We just gotta learn how to do the nails and the feet, and I don't need nobody for nothing. Especially hair. Like if nothing else is done, at least my hair will be taken care of. Because what are you gonna do when your hairstylist hit you with that, hey boo? What are you gonna do? But now I'm just doing my lip combo and I'm using a dark brown lip liner. Then I'm gonna go in with like a pink type of lipstick, lip stain thing, and then I'm going over with a clear gloss. Also, excuse the background. I'm in the process of revamping. But anyways, so what I ended up doing, it took a course of a couple days. But like if you was to do all of this at once, I promise you it would take you probably like 2 hours. Wash your hair real good, blow dry your hair, straighten it, whatever. Or even if you have like a curly wig with your leave out, that'll take even less time. Because I have a curly one, but I'm not going, I'm going to save that. But if you want to get a sew-in and straighten your hair real quick, but you don't want to sit there and wait and get your hair braided and this, that, and the third, and you just want it quick, get you a U-part or a V-part. I actually recommend a V-part better than a U-part. The U-part, you have a little bit more like free range at the top. You have a little bit more space. V-part is more so like this, so you could do the leave out. Think of a T-part wig. I recommend you get one of those two things because it's like a sew-in in a box. This is from Eunice Kinky Straight. It was a little thicker when I first got it, I'm not gonna lie, but hair naturally sheds. But even still, it's doing what it need to do. Like I could wash it and blow dry it and it'll be puffy just like my hair when I wash it and blow dry it. Y'all saw how it was before I installed it. It was only like that because I washed it with hot water. When you wash hair with hot water, it kind of like just stays straight. So that's why it stayed straight when I let it air dry. But yeah, instant makeup when you do your lashes and your lip gloss. Oh, I forgot one more step. Hold on. So now I'm doing my brows. I am using a spoolie and holding spray, specifically pump it up because that's what I like to use. I'm using that to brush my eyebrows and like hair like strokes. Just get them in one direction. Then I'm gonna end up carving them to the shape of my liking. That's what you can do too if you into that. It doesn't really cost that much to get your brows done, but I just don't always have time to go and get my brows done because I go to a specific place to do so. And on top of that, I like to grow my brows out because I don't have that much eyebrow hair. So I like to grow them out as much as I can before I get them done. I probably do it once every 6 months. Yeah. You could also use like a liquid gel that you would use to lay a wig too. But I'm using what I have at the moment. And the holding spray hasn't done me wrong yet. So, and this is the final look, the lashes and the brows. And now we're going to get back to the outro.
And I hope y'all enjoyed the video, because I enjoyed making it. It was very quick. I'm not going to lie. It's not like fully in depth of anything, but you know, this is to save you some time. I want to get back into makeup too. I haven't really been doing makeup like that. Like, I really don't do my makeup, and I have a whole collection of makeup. But my makeup is pretty outdated. But I mean, if y'all want to see makeup things, we could do it. We could make it happen. But it's been a little minute. Right now, my makeup is lashes and gloss. Not even on no pick me shit neither. Because, like I said, I'm a working girl. Just don't work out like that. I think that's all I have to say. Once again, be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, make that red button turn gray. Because if you watch this far and you're not subscribed, what are you doing, weirdo? Might as well. You'll love it here. Okay. Bye.